jing'an.
Go check out the road.
Jing'an.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Art Yu Yuan Road. There's a street sign right there, but I just want to show you how cool this is. Big circle, all these kind of cool buildings. That one looks pretty cool too. And it's all kind of rounded at the corners, which I like too. But yeah, we're gonna walk down this Art Yu Yuan Road. There's the sign right there. Okay. So I'll just kind of get you some images. So yeah, it actually has its own little thing on the map. So yeah, we're in part of Shanghai, and I'm going to show you some of the highlights of this road too. At a Lane house. So yeah, I don't know. So yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, these are kind of like two-story places, it looks like. So there's businesses on the ground level, and then there's housing on the second level, which I think in that Lane house style. And everybody's on the road here, and everybody's on the sidewalk. There we go. Pretty cool little shops. So actually I saw that the art mentioned part is a little bit further down there, but this is kind of the start of the road anyways. Not the start, but the we're pretty close to where the art part starts. Little cool lane alleys everywhere. Bubbling wall lane. Bubbling well. Alright, I'm gonna save my heated camera from getting too hot and turning off on me, so it's kind of cool because there's a lane homes that go directly underneath there as well. And right over there's one, I can't see it right now, but there's one that has like Macau beer. It says something tea over there. And a restaurant, AE Kitchen. Yeah, some pretty cool stuff everywhere here. I really like this street. Little tiny shops. Little trees everywhere. This is a dental clinic. So yeah, this is a pretty cool street. All that is all the way down. Some of these, I think these are like some of the old French houses as well, or they're part of the Lane houses. I'm not sure which. Maybe it was originally a house and then they built lanes connecting it. I don't know. Pretty cool though. Really like that a lot. So we're gonna just keep down this Art Yu Yuan Road, I think it's called Yu Yuan Road. Okay, so this one is the former site of Eastern Economic Library. So this was Japanese invaders, and it kind of talks about it right there. So this would have been where a library was all set up at one time, and their heritage architecture. So all kinds of history and kind of cool stuff everywhere here. Did that car hit somebody? She's slowing down because, I don't know. Anyways, flower shop, art flower. Yeah, a lot of history everywhere. The old house with some gates. Yeah, I guess you got people that are riding all over the place. Those both bicycles are going in the same lane. Some people are on the sidewalk. Escape Cafe. Another lane alley. Let's see, some of these lane alleys are known for something. They'll have a sign up. But you probably have a pretty good image of those throughout some of these videos that I've been doing, so. Okay. I don't know what this is, but there's a heritage site. Garden Villa of the Yans, okay, 1920. Outstanding historic buildings. So, okay. Yeah, it looks like a pretty guarded, walled place. Actually, I think it looks like there's quite a few on the street. There's another one over there too. There's a nice big wall around it. So there's more of Yu Yuan Street, and I think there's more. When I saw the tourist stuff, it looks like it was more down that way, even more, but we saw a lot of really cool stuff already. And I could walk all the way down there and try to capture more, but I think it'd be kind of similar. And but if you want to see more, you kind of get a taste, a little bit of the street. I'm actually going to be going to the airport pretty soon and ending my Shanghai time. So I got to get back and get my stuff. So, but I hope you enjoyed seeing Shanghai, more historical buildings. So yeah, actually this whole street is filled with kind of well-to-do and famous from other time periods. More lane houses. Oh, these are all Hong Kong stuff. Queens Road, Central, Queensway, Hennessy Road. So, okay. And there's the metro station, line 2. Anyways, you get to see a little bit of the street, and I think the core of it on the map was part of it is here, but this is kind of the beginning part. So if you kind of like this part and you were curious to see more, definitely search more. I'm sure there's other YouTubers that have the whole street from one to the other. Maybe. You never know what YouTubers have, so. But you got a taste of it anyways from mine. Especially the lane houses, and you can see how the trees are planted and well planned, and how this whole street has a lot of historical lane alleys and kind of cool looking shops. So, alright. Hope you enjoyed this. And yeah, keep watching. I'll have other stuff with China as well. So, and I might even have more to this video too. Okay, some more cool housing. Some more signs. Got a red light. People are going across. Garden house. Okay. Historical building, Western European garden style, and China paper industry magnate. Yeah, pretty pleasant area. Got a green light there, so this guy almost hit people. Bakery. The Yu Yuan Road. Coffee shop. China service. Like that. Okay. Last one I'm going to do. This is a musician who lived down this lane. I'll just kind of walk down the lane a little bit, and then I'm going to conclude it for Yu Yuan Road. Yeah, pretty cool. Little lane homes. Okay, hope you like this one. Alright, Yu Yuan Road and lane alleys at the end of the video.